Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Oh, see, I don't like this lace. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Keonna here, and guess what? It's after Valentine's Day, but I'm celebrating today. It's Sunday. I went to Valentine's Day. I went to work. I didn't do my makeup because I didn't have enough time. The day after, I went to another Wale concert. Y'all know I love that man to death. Maybe not to death, because he ain't my man, but he wanna be my man. And today I'm going to have dinner in a movie, by myself, because that's what single people do. Like, I don't like this lace. However, I still, I'm single. I still got to eat and go to the movies and shit like that too. So guess what? I might go by myself, okay? And if anybody out there want to take your girl out on a date, hit me up. Y'all know my stuff. Like, the shit is down below. But yeah, so thanks to my 34 subscribers, we're still hanging in there. We're always gonna be here doing our little thug thizzle. But y'all see the look, go ahead and share the video. Y'all, I'm not feeling the lace up here. I don't know, whatever. So yeah, go ahead, share the video, like the video, and send it to all your folks, because this is the real shit. Okay, so yeah, let's get into this look, y'all. Liddy. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. Kind of not liking my hair. Kind of should have stayed on the side part thing, but you know, I tried to, you know, do something a little different because Jasmine was like, why you got that side part? And yeah, this is why, because I don't like it. It's ugly. Maybe when I curl it and all that other stuff, it's a little better, but we ain't doing that tonight. So yeah, y'all go ahead and tell me what you think about this look. All the products we listed below. Subscribe to the channel, share the shit that comes on this channel. Yeah, so I kind of was playing with this thing. I kind of broke my lash in the process. So yeah, I'm just going out to dinner and gonna catch a movie by my lonely. I'm fine already, but what's up, Pooh? And the fuck fine. Okay. What at? Okay. Alright, y'all. I'm done. Alright, but yeah, y'all. So stay tuned for more videos. I may keep them coming like that. Oh shit. Yeah. I kind of wanted to do a red lip, but I couldn't find my red lipstick. I think Keita stole it. Okay. Bye, y'all. Bye, y'all.